let's solve for x here, given 5 to the power x equals to x to the power 5 solution. Now let's get started by bringing the powers down here, and we can only do that by taking log on both sides. So let's take the natural log on both sides. All right, so this side will be x ln of 5 ln of x. So let's group the x here, okay, and those without x on one side. So this side of ln of 5 equals to, so if I divide both sides by x, the x will go to the right, and divide both sides by 5, and then 5 will come to the left. So we have 5, and we have ln of x over x. So from here, when you compare it, you see that x equals 5, but we can still proceed, or we can still probe further. All right, so we can write this side as ln of 5 over 5, okay, ln of x times x to the power minus 1. Now let's bring in e, because we want to apply Lambert double function. So we want to have e times e raised to alpha. The answer is e as we take double function. Okay, and e raised to ln of t is t. So let's combine the two. So from here, ln of x times e raised to ln of this, the answer will still be that. Okay, so we have this over 5 equals to ln of x times e raised to, now let's bring this one here, negative ln of x. Remember, we are working towards what is here and what is there being equal, but we have negative ln of x, and this side is positive. So let's balance it by multiplying negative 1 both sides. That will be minus ln of 5 over 5 equals to minus ln of x times e raised to minus ln of x. Now from here, we can take w function here. So w function minus ln of 5 over 5 equals to w function times e raised to minus x. So my right hand side will be minus ln of x. And this side too, we can manipulate this one, okay? So this one is the same as w function of, so once I bring this one in to be ln of 5 to the power minus 1 times, okay, if I want to write this one in linear form, it will be 5 to the power minus 1. Okay, now I want to introduce e here, so this one is the same as w function of ln of 5 to the power minus 1 times e raised to ln of 5 to the power minus 1. Okay, so we have the two being equal here, so I can say w function. Now let's send this one here and send this one there. Okay, so that will be negative ln of 5 times e. So the minus will come here. That will be minus ln of 5 equals to minus ln of x. So the w function of this one equals to that, minus ln of 5 equals to minus ln of x. So we can conclude here. So this one will cancel. So we have this equals to that. Or we can raise both sides with e raised this, e raised to ln of 5 and e raised to ln of x. So this side with 5 equals to x. So the answer is 5. All right.